Good morning. Welcome to Dustbane. At Dustbane, we wanted to talk about lobbies today. Lobbies are a common area where most people either enter or leave your facility, leaving that lasting impression. So today we're going to talk about a few of the different areas in which you might clean in your common lobby area. So we're going to start off with one of our favorite products being Azure, made right here in Ottawa, and is ammonia-free, alcohol-free, allowing you to have a little go a long way. We would normally apply our Azure to a microfiber cloth and clean any of the glass in common areas. We love these common spaces, exactly where you want your guests to join you and have a great conversation. These conversational pieces, however, can also be a breeding ground for dirt, germs, bacteria, and other elements that you don't necessarily want your customers, guests, or team members to see. We recommend Triple Action as a really great wipe for these common areas that will clean, degrease, and disinfect all in one process. LVT flooring is something that we're seeing commonly going into most new buildings. This creates a beautiful, warm, inviting space for your guests. Now, you don't want them to have the appearance of something that is lackluster, dirty, or doesn't make them feel welcome. Here at Dustbane, we recommend Challenger as a great option for cleaning these LVT floorings while leaving a little bit of shine left behind. Now, long hallways and corridors can be a really great place for dirt, spots, and grime to build up. As you have high traffic areas that are going through any of these carpeted areas, if you have a spot or a challenge, we recommend that you try out our Eco Expert. It's an Ecologo certified carpet spotter and cleaner, works amazingly well with the Dustbane Mini Spotter. Now, in these spaces where they're tight, you may want to use a Dustbane Tracker or our 464 sweeper in getting these spaces neat and clean, removing any of the airborne dust that may come out of these carpets. With any of your entranceways, you could have a variety of different floor types and surfaces. Now, you could have a conventional VCT tile floor, you could have tile and grout that's going to be in some of those areas. So using the appropriate product to ensure that you've got long-lasting protection of your floors. We recommend Timeout Plus as your stripper. Accolade is going to be a great sealer finish, giving you longevity of that floor finish and making it go a little bit further. And then topping that off with Prix to get the beautiful gloss that your customers deserve. Now, employee entranceways really take a beating, especially during these colder winter months where salt and sand debris is dragged into your building. Our recommendation is that you use the Dustbane DB7. Its wet and dry pickup is going to be excellent on this entranceway matting, making this area crystal clear. But it doesn't do it all on its own. It does need a little help to remove some of the salt residue that may be left remaining. Pair this with Film Away as your excellent carpet cleaner.
Dustbane. Give meaning to your cleaning.